Now, I honestly have to say one of the hardest things about stocks is truly learning how to choose the right one. But what is the method to choose the right stock? Because everybody has their own little, technique that they use. So in today's video, I'll be showing you what I do to choose my most successful stocks. What's up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to invest, save, and make money. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to go and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. Now, honestly, I was a late bloomer when it came to investing in stocks, but I definitely saw the future in it and I knew that I had to do it. And I've been very fortunate not to lose a lot of money investing, which is not a thing that a lot of people can say. I'm currently allocated or invested in about 25 stocks and I've probably only lost on about 3 or 4. So the ratio on that is pretty good. And the one that I've lost probably the most money on was Snapchat. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how I successfully pick these stocks and what you can do to do the same. Now, number one may be the most obvious one, but a lot of people still don't do it, which is research. Now, research is essential to anything. If you're about to go invest your money into a company, you need to know the background story about that company. You need to know what they're doing, how they plan to make their money. A lot of people just go based off of speculation. They don't do their own due diligence. Do your own due diligence, research the company, see if this potential company can actually make money or have a future. Trust me, this step may seem like a step that you should skip over, but if you do it, I guarantee you that you will do a little better on your stock picking. Like, it'll improve tremendously, because this is a step that a lot of people skip over, but they don't realize how important it is. Number two is to know what pain is actually getting fulfilled. So I know that this one might be a little confusing, so let me break it down. So basically, probably 5, 6, 7 years ago, I heard of a company called Chegg. Now, if you think about it, the pain that they were fixing was textbooks in school are very expensive, and a lot of people don't have the money to buy textbooks for $300, $400. So the pain that they were fixing was to create a textbook service where you can rent, buy, sell your textbooks at a cheap price. Now, this pain is something well worth mentioning, because there is a lot of college students, a lot of people use textbooks on a daily basis, and this is something that can help a lot of people. Now, fast forward, I think I've had this stock maybe, I've heard of it probably 5, 6 years ago, but I invested in it probably 3 to 4 years ago. And at this point, I had bought it at $4.50, which was relatively cheap for a stock. At this point now, I think the stock is at around $28, which came to be that it was a great investment, because I saw where we were going into the future. I saw that there was a pain that needed to be fixed. So it was relatives that this price would go up, because more people would come to know about Chegg and they would keep using it. Number 3 is invest in it if it's something that you use on a daily basis. Now, a lot of you guys spend most of your time Facebook or Snapchat using products. I mean, if these products are really dear to your heart and you use it on a daily basis, put your money where your mouth is. If you believe in the product, if you use it on a daily basis, if you use it all the time, put your money where your mouth is and invest in it. A lot of you guys are on Facebook posting things every single day, but yet you have no Facebook stock. Like, this doesn't make any sense to me. If you use something every single day and it's true to your heart, you understand it, you see the pain point, you've done your research, you see it's a good company, it's growing, why not invest in it? A really good example of this I would have to mention is PayPal. PayPal has been growing constantly because e-commerce has been growing like crazy. Now, a lot of you, you're buying things online, you're using PayPal as a service without really noticing. You use it on a daily basis to buy things, you have an account. I mean, you could have put your money where your mouth is, invested in PayPal. I mean, I was fortunate to do my research. I realized that e-commerce was growing. E-commerce was gonna be the future. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get PayPal, because PayPal is doing big things. It's helping small businesses. It's helping e-commerce. So I invested in PayPal around where it was 30 bucks. I think PayPal is around 85 right now, which is awesome. But this is the example that I need to make, because people use items on a daily basis, but they don't do their own due diligence. They don't go ahead and see, oh, well, I use this product on a daily basis. Let me go ahead and see if they have an IPO, if they have a stock that I can actually, have something tangible or something that I can invest in, because this company does very well. So I know you were expecting like a huge technology background or technological analysis, or have you on the computer looking at charts, but essentially this is how I choose my stocks. Now I know a lot of people, they take a look at graphs and they're like, yeah, this stock's about to go up. That's not me. I definitely invest in things that I know have a growing pain, or have a pain that can fix a problem, things that I use on a daily basis. So most of the time, the stocks that I invest in are things that I actually use on a daily basis. So I know how they work, if they're good, and if it really fixes a problem. And I also just read the news and see what's going on. So that is how I successfully pick my stocks, and I hope it helped you out tremendously. I know there's a lot of beginners out there looking to get started in stocks, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you learned something new. I hope you take these tips and use it to pick your next stock. In the comment section below, let me know which tip you're gonna use. Hope you have a great Friday. See you in my next video. Peace.